Another day, another story. Title: Healthy Weight Gain at Home Tips and Tricks. Smiling. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about gaining weight in a healthy way, right from the comfort of your home. Whether you're looking to build muscle or increase your overall body weight, we've got some fantastic tips and tricks to share with you. So, let's get started. Tip 1: Calculate your caloric needs. The first step in gaining weight is to determine your daily caloric needs. You can use online calculators to estimate the number of calories required to maintain your current weight. Once you have that number, aim to consume around 300,500 extra calories per day to create a caloric surplus for weight gain. Tip 2: Eat nutrient-dense foods. Focus on nutrient-dense foods that provide you with essential vitamins and minerals. Include plenty of whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, fruits, and vegetables in your diet. Tip 3: Frequent, balanced meals. Instead of sticking to 3 large meals, try eating 5 to 6 smaller meals throughout the day. This will help you consume more calories without feeling too full. Make sure each meal includes a good balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Tip 4: Healthy snacking. Snacking is a great way to add extra calories to your diet. Opt for healthy snacks like nuts, trail mix, yogurt, protein bars, or a homemade smoothie. Tip 5: Protein intake. Protein is essential for muscle growth. Include protein-rich foods like chicken, turkey, fish, eggs, tofu, lentils, and dairy products in your diet. Tip 6: Strength training. If you're looking to build muscle, incorporating strength training exercises is crucial. You can use bodyweight exercises or invest in some basic home gym equipment like resistance bands or dumbbells. Tip 7: Stay hydrated. Don't forget to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated is essential for overall health and can help support your weight gain goals. Tip 8: Rest and recovery. Give your body enough time to recover between workouts. Adequate rest is essential for muscle repair and growth. Tip 9: Keep track of progress. Monitor your weight gain progress regularly. Keep a journal or use a fitness app to track your daily caloric intake, exercise routines, and weight changes. Tip 10: Be patient and consistent. Remember, healthy weight gain takes time and patience. Be consistent with your efforts and stay committed to your goals. Conclusion: there you have it, our top tips for healthy weight gain at home. By following these guidelines, you can achieve your weight gain goals in a safe and sustainable way. Always prioritize your health and well-being throughout this journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more health and fitness content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay healthy.